Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures, and it's your Midday Market Minute. What a day. We've seen quite a bit of volatility. Equities open lower. The metals are getting crushed. Overall, though, the equity markets are working their way back, and there is some good resistance overhead now. You have a lot of resistance from yesterday's settlement that we basically ran into, both in the S&P and NASDAQ. We're really watching this 4183, 4186 on a closing basis. You want to make sure this thing closes above there. We said that the NASDAQ would turn bullish if it got back above about 13,650, and it didn't. It hung into that point of balance about 13,550. 13,550, 13,570, and it's sort of just trickling around in there. A lot of support below the market in the NASDAQ that we saw the market respond to, 13,450. So we're just chopping around right now, and it becomes like non-farm payroll is what the market's looking for. Get a hot number, big jobs read. It's hard to imagine that the market will rally off of that when you have the Fed out there. Harker yesterday talking about a timeline for tapering. Basically today, Kaplan saying the same thing. So a strong jobs report starts reinvigorating the timeline to taper, which maybe you get a knee-jerk reaction higher stocks, but overall, it's hard to imagine stocks kind of keeping on a run after that number. But if we have a nice Goldilocks soft number, something 500,000 to 750,000 jobs, I think that's where the market would potentially be moving back to the highs of the week. A lot of support below there too. So remember, we really need to close below 4150 in the S&P to start confirming that this thing wants to go lower. Now, looking at crude oil, it's got a little bit of a whipsaw too today, but basically near unchanged. Big headline draw. Big bills, kind of expected from API last night, and did some refinery utilization was up. So the market holding in good overall. It's just a groundwork day for crude oil. But the metals, they're getting smashed. Get the dollar higher, rates moving up just a little bit, and gold down almost 2%, platinum down 3%, silver down 3%, copper down 3%. So it really comes down. What does the dollar do? The dollar strengthening. The dollar strengthening against all currencies. The euro to the yuan, and that's hurting the metals, but it's really going to, again, matter on jobs tomorrow. We're here to help. Give us a shout, 312-278-0500. Remember, though, futures trading involves substantial risk of loss. Is not suitable for all investors.